These blueberry and blackberry individual no-bake cheesecakes are super quick and easy to make, and they make a fantastic portable dessert to take on picnics. If you take this on your next picnic, everyone's going to be jealous. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. I know we're talking picnics here, but these individual berry cheesecakes make a great make-ahead dessert for any occasion. So let's get cooking. This cheesecake is made up of 3 layers. We've got a biscuit base, and then cheesecake, and then all finished off with a berry compote. So we're going to start with the biscuit base. Place 210 grams, which is about 7.5 ounces, of digestive biscuits into a large bag or bowl and crush them into crumbs using the end of a rolling pin. If you're in the US, you can use graham crackers instead of digestive biscuits. And if you want a gluten-free version of this cheesecake, then gluten-free digestives work great too. Once they're crushed, empty the biscuits into a bowl. Pour over 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Then add 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar and a pinch of salt. Mix together until the crumbs absorb the butter. Now we're going to move this to one side and start on the compote. You can go super simple on this and use shop-bought compote or even fruit pie filling if you prefer, but I really like to make my own as it's really easy to do. It tastes amazing and you can change it for different berries if you like. In a small saucepan, add 225 grams, which is about 1.5 cups of fresh blackberries, plus 175 grams, which is about a cup of fresh blueberries. Squeeze over the juice of half a lemon and add 2 tablespoons of cold water. Now add 100 grams, which is about half a cup of castor or fine granulated sugar. Heat gently in the pan until the berries start to break down, which will take about 5 minutes. Just give it a stir a couple of times whilst it's simmering. After about 5 minutes, we're going to stir in a cornflour slurry, which is made up of 1 tablespoon of cornflour or cornstarch, mixed with 2 tablespoons of cold water, and that'll thicken the compote. Stir continuously for another 30 seconds until the berry mixture is thickened, then take off the heat and allow to cool. Now we're going to make the cheesecake part, which is a really easy no-bake cheesecake. So we're going to start by adding 180 ml, which is about 3/4 of a cup of double or heavy cream to a large mixing bowl. Didn't mean to clang there. Whisk the cream with an electric whisk until thick. Now we're going to add in 450 grams, which is about 16 ounces of full-fat cream cheese, plus a teaspoon of vanilla paste and 85 grams, which is about 3/4 of a cup of icing or confectioner's sugar. Whisk again until combined and you've got a nice smooth consistency. The mixture should be thick enough to hold its shape. Now we're going to pull the 3 layers of the cheesecake together. If you're making them for a picnic, it's a good idea to use little mason jars like this, but if you're just going to eat them at home, then you can use glasses or even use teacups if you prefer. Divide the base mixture between 6 jars, mine are 200 ml or 7 ounce mason jars, and press down with the back of a spoon to compact the base slightly. Spoon or pipe the cream cheese mixture on next. Then spoon over the cooled berry mixture. Sprinkle with lemon zest or a few fresh thyme leaves and serve. You can serve them right away or place in the fridge until you're ready to serve. I've made 6 cheesecakes here, but this recipe is really easy to scale. It's such a delicious recipe, and trust me, you won't regret making your own compote. If you want some more picnic ideas, I've got a playlist of our favourites lined up for you here. See you next time.